Hello.
Hello!
What country are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Oh, really? Which region?
Region 2,
Okay, really? What language do you guys speak there?
Tagalog.
Can you teach me your language?
Tagalog?
Yep, sure, if you don't mind.
Okay, so, mahal kita. Do you
What does
know
that mean?
mahal kita?
Ma what?
Mahal
Hal
kita.
ki
Ta.
ta.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
I love you.
Oh, really? Can you teach me some other words?
Wait. Wait lang. Ito. Geng ako.
What?
Geng.
Gang.
Geng.
Gang.
Ako.
Te, mukha ba akong gang? Te, mukha ba akong gang? Magtanong lang po ako. Mukha ba akong gang? Alam, namuha siya. You're so red. Bakit ang pula ng mukha mo? Namuha siya. Kapuha niya. Pula mukha mo, Blay. Kapuha niya.
Oh my God!
Why are you so red? Kapuha niya.